It's time to restore this old and damaged waxed leather armchair. One of the middle panels has deep cracking and a hole. It's now or never. Step 1. Leather must be squeaky clean before recoating, so we cleaned it thoroughly with Spot and Prep. Number 4. A scrubbing brush and a microfiber cloth. We cleaned until all grime, waxes, silicones, oils and emollients were removed from the surface. Step 2. Sanding smooth surface irregularities and keys the surface. An edged surface allows for the optimal adhesion of products, which, in turn, contributes to coating's durability. This crusty leather needed extra attention. We used an electric palm sander and experimented with 600 to 800 grit sandpapers. The cracks in the leather on this panel are so deep that a hole has opened up. We applied leather glue, number 16, behind the opening first. Next, we cut a circular backing patch and inserted it behind the split. It took some persuasion to flatten the subpatch into position. When it finally sat correctly, we applied more glue to the join and allowed it to cure with the help of a hair dryer. Step 3. We tinted foam filler with color, number 6, then applied it in thin coats with curing between each coat. Several applications of filler later, the tear and cracking were concealed, reinforced and smoothed. We used a sponge with a stucco technique to apply the finishing layers of filler. This rendered a gently textured surface that mimicked leather grain. We continued to finesse the repair until we were happy with the surface dot. Here it looks thicker than it actually was in real life. Step 4. To begin the finishing process, we applied one coat of prime, number 5. Its role is to optimize adhesion between the leather and the new coatings. As the primer cured, we manually pulled the panel sections apart a couple of times to prevent them sticking to each other whilst drying. Step 5, the fun part. Color, number 6, was applied in multiple thin coats until full coverage was achieved. This color was custom mixed to the customer's specifications. It was a blend of leather paint with a dash of leather dyes for an extra dimension of vibrance. It was similar to aniline tobacco, a color in our standard range. Step 6. 2 coats of clear topcoat were applied to finish, seal and protect the coatings. The repaired panel is soft and flexible. Before. After.